Find the word bookshelf. Bookshelf. B-O-O-K-S-H-E-L-F. Bookshelf. Find the word bookmark. Bookmark. B-O-O-K-M-A-R-K. Bookmark. Find the word globe. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Find the word reading lamp. Reading lamp. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. L-A-M-P. Reading lamp. Find the word card catalog. Card catalog. C-A-R-D. C-A-T-A-L-O-G. Card catalog. Find the word ladder. Ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. Find the word clock. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Find the word computer. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Find the word headphones. Headphones. H-E-A-D-P-H-O-N-E-S. Headphones. Find the word printer. Printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. Find the word pencil. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Find the word notebook. Notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Find the word backpack. Backpack. B-A-C-K P-A-C-K, backpack. Find the word coffee cup. Coffee cup, C-O-F-F-E-E-C-U-P, coffee cup. Find the word bulletin board. Bulletin board, B-U-L-L-E-T-I-N, B-O-A-R-D, bulletin board. Find the word dictionary. Dictionary, D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, dictionary. Find the word map. Map, M-A-P, map. Find the word chair. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Find the word plant. Plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Find the word magazine. Magazine, M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E, magazine. Did you like the 10-second timer for each word? And do you enjoy when the hidden word matches the picture at the end? Like the word clock hidden inside the clock image? Let me know what would make these even more fun for you. And a special thanks to all my loyal English learners out there, no matter what your first language is. You're amazing for sharing part of your day with me to learn English. If you want my new videos to pop up in your feed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications.